All right, so here we have a 2006 Ford Fusion. This customer's complaint is that the AC controls are not working. A few days ago when they stopped in for us to check it out, we did some pinout tests to verify that we were getting power and ground. So we got the wiring diagram and we verified that. We did verify that the head unit had all the proper power and ground signals. So now we're going to go ahead and replace that head unit that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. So this will be the unit that we're replacing. All right, so we want to go ahead and pull this trim panel up here. All right, so this trim panel around our radio, this will be our top panel. We want to just pop the bottom out. All right. Okay. And we just have two plugs on the back here. Now we'll go ahead and plug our plugs back in. All right. All right, now we have a working AC control.